busting, man.
This is not a well-formed system. You do not have all of that rain right around the center. We've got dry air up here.
Hey, turn that bitch up, Glory.
I never put my hands on the horn unless she fight me.
Shit.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Speaking to the trenches, speaking from the trenches. Yeah. Like 20 racks, my nigga.
I'm tired of hurting for the same reasons. Got so much pain inside my body, how I'm still breathing. Prescription drugs put my body in another dimension. Removing you up on my life. Aquafina on my neck like I'm swimming with fishes. I learned my lesson, if I fall, ain't nobody gon' lift me. I had my back against the wall, got a ball like I'm Jimmy.
Man, it's the Berry Block. What you gotta say about Berry, Strom Berry? What you gotta say?
Fuck Strom Berry. Hey, Berry, so I ain't gonna lie, we should fuck with Berry, cause he making everything open when it's time. Yeah. Real talk, when it's time, it's gonna be time.
Video.
You done fucked up past the 45 with extended clip in it. You done fucked up past the AK with the Chinese drum. You done fucked up any of your niggas from yourself, you won't give it.
Before the storm, you tripping out here. Storm ain't even came yet, they tripping.
Yeah, I got it on me. And fuck you too.
You got diggity. Man, say bro, fuck Berry. The Berry, this the Berry Block, bro. Get me free about you too, man. Oh, Slim. You can't come in here. It's going down. Haywire TV. Haywire motherfucking TV. It's going down like that. I told y'all, the motherfucking Berry Block. I'm telling you, look, early. They up early with Crystal the Hurricane Cup. What you gotta see? The Berry Block. Every hurricane. It's the Berry Block. Oh, right. No, Vera can't handle it. Who that? What's poppin', no. Bitch ain't coming outside, bitch. You wanna come here for a minute? Can you come here for a minute, bitch? You wanna come here for a minute? I'm telling you.
Running in houses, we be G, but yeah, niggas running in houses. So don't give me that bullshit. Saying you're from here, bout that, catch a full clip. So don't give me that bullshit. Saying you're from here, bout that, catch a full clip. Damn, I hit a old fake ass nigga. Damn, I hit a old fake ass nigga. Damn, I hit a old fake ass nigga. Had to get that shoot up your second line, huh, rockin'. Had to get that shoot up your second line, huh, rockin'. Had to get that shoot up your second line, huh, rockin'. Get into it with a nigga, gotta tool my gun. Get into it with a nigga, gotta tool my gun. I'm about to kill a nigga. I'm about to kill a nigga. I'm about to kill a nigga. You got to be real, You got to be real if I fuck with you. Nigga, you playing me, I see straight through you. I'm about whatever, whenever, so fuck how you feel. 502, 209, 3901, my number. 502, 209, 3901, my number. But for this thing, looking weak, I'm being bang it up. The only time I'm drinking when I'm picking something.
Man, look at Slim. Oh, you in it. He in it. Back up, he in it. He got the work. He in it. The nigga say he in it. He in it. I know we gonna limit that content. Berry Block, I told y'all, man, the hurricane or the motherfucking way ain't that a bitch. But look, we still getting the business done behind the scenes. Show everybody get his new video. How you feeling about the video so far? The shit you been saying?
Fire, I want that bitch. The people want that bitch. I'm trying to get that bitch so I can drop that shit. You hear me? Might as well follow me on all social media. Dem_Shag with 3 G's. Shit moving. Shout out to Haywire TV. Shit going up.
That bitch came up to your expectations for you?
Man, you fucking right. So that shit doing more than I expected, to be honest. Keep it G.
Real nigga shit.
Real talking. I ain't capping because you sitting right here.
Oh, but I already know you gonna keep it G, bitch.
Yeah, fact.
Real nigga there. Haywire, always aim, we aim to please. We giving them but that motherfucking content. Nigga work all day and night on this shit. Rap, trap, and film. How many niggas got rap and do this shit? Got the film coming to find. I mean, y'all niggas all my dudes, this filming, whatever. cameramen, hammermen, whatever y'all want to call them, bitch. They coming behind me. We gonna be rocking this shit. We gonna take this Haywire shit around the world, bitch. Leave that. We ain't playing with y'all, bitch. 3 more minutes to this video finish. You know what I'm saying? On the beat. Ooh. Fucking Barry vlog. Strom fucking coming. Barry vlog. Strom wins. Oh shit, man. Hi, baby. Alright. I'm still on the phone talking to moms. Quick checking on the camera. Where the laundromat? We gotta take a quick walk through the laundromat. Let y'all see. I was talking on the camera, man. That's all. I had to do a quick. It's a quick solo take for my my blog. What is it, man? I know they cutting up. They crazy. Especially her fooling with that fool. Candles. Hurricane shit. Can shit.
That's what I need for them. With them. Don't burn us down.
Look at this guy. Barry.